Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Now get down and get straight to the point. This is just a Mobile Mechanic tip. This tool will be in the description when the video comes out. This tool right here is an excellent tool, and what it's going to do is it's going to compress the piston in on the caliper. So all you have to do is get an old brake. These are rear brakes and I don't require the special tool, so these are just regular ones you can just put compress in. You take the tool, you turn it until you can get it inside, and then you turn it again the opposite direction to get it nice and tight. Then all you have to do is turn this. I'm doing it one hand, but you turn this, and I'm going to show you the caliper, the piston going in, and with ease it should compress like it's doing right now. If you have a whole bunch of resistance, replace the caliper, move on. But you see, with the ease, I'm barely turning it. It's all the way in now. So I'm going to back it off, and you can see it's completely compressed. This will be in the description of the video when it does come out. If you have any benefits for this video, please hit that super thanks. Hit that join button if you want to see these videos 3 to 5 days earlier. And please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for being our subscribers and future subscribers. Thank you.